Hello everyone, I bought this beautiful catfish today, so I will show you how you can use it in recipe with polenta foam, semi-dried cherry tomatoes and buckwheat. So let's do it. And let's start with the cherry tomatoes, because they need some time to get dry.
So I just cut them in half and season them with fresh thyme, lemon juice, salt and pepper. And I dehydrate them at 80 degrees Celsius for around 2 hours. You can use the oven also, but it will probably take more time. You can of course adjust the time and make it more dry or less, that's really up to you.
To get some crispy element for the dish, I will make deep fried buckwheat.
I'll put a little bit of the vegetable oil in the pot, get it around 180 degrees Celsius and deep fry the buckwheat for a few seconds. They should puff like a popcorn and start floating on the top. This is the stuff you want to use. If there are some on the bottom, don't use them because they will be hard. At the end, season them with salt or potentially any spice you like and they will be ready for plating. And now, let's make the polenta foam. On the screen you can see the recipe I used, but you can add also different spices or even juices. Start with water, bring it to a boil, then polenta. In 1 minute, milk. Season it with salt and garlic powder and cook it slowly for around 10 minutes. In the end, I add butter and cream and the mix is ready to go to siphon bottle. I do 1 gas for a small bottle and I keep it in hot water until plating.
And now, let's finally start with the fish.
I bought already a nice fillet, so the hard job is done. I just cut my portions and we can cook it. But before that, we have one guy who requires a tasting. The fish passed, so I season it with salt and pepper and I sear it on both sides for around 2 minutes. At the start, I add a few pieces of garlic to give a bonus flavor to the oil, and at the end I do a splash of lemon juice. And let's finish it. I start with my polenta foam. Then nice piece of fish on the top. Some deep fried buckwheat. Semi-dried tomatoes with thyme. And fresh pea shoots on the top. And by the way, if you'd like to take your home cooking to the next level with me personally, learn how to be more creative, how plating works, or how to manage bigger parties, I'm looking for last 2 students for my personal coaching for the next month. So if you would like to be one of them, apply on my website and I will contact you back.
And if you want to learn another cool recipe with the fish, check out this video and learn my recipe with halibut and papillo with mushroom sabayon. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.